Pennine Journey. My name's Ben, I'm a UK based mountain leader and welcome to Summit and Beyond. I only did 2 days on it. I came back from the Yorkshire Free Peaks, had to pack for setting off the next day. A long distance hike, totally different. We set off from Slaggyford. We followed the Pennine Journey, took a little detour, followed the Pennine Way all the way up to the summit.
Last few hours before it gets dark, it's just that constant. That would be a nice spot, but no, I'll keep going a little bit further.
We're just coming into Garrigill and we just stopped. Kyle's going to throw his drone up, get some footage. This place is absolutely stunning. Check this out. It's crazy though, man. It's like this road going all the way up the hill. And then we carried on from Crossfell and we camped just outside Appleby. I definitely think I'll be going down the route of a tar in the future. With the bivvy, I really liked that setup. The trails on day 2 were amazing. We went from Appleby pretty much all the way to Brough. We were just hiking, enjoying the views, taking some shots. Yeah, really cool little trail. I would recommend the trail for the bit that I did of it. That's my experience of the Pennine Journey. I'll link Kyle's channel up here, I think that I've got a lot more learning to do in regards to learning about equipment, what would work in a guiding scenario in the mountains, as well as for my own personal outing. But we'll see where it goes. This is what it's about, finding out the next thing and enjoying the journey. Anyway, that's it, in a bit. Don't forget to subscribe and go and watch either this video or this video. Other than that, hit the thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and I'll see you in the next video in a bit.